Okay, we're going to show you the new Ibexx secondary clamps tool for the Ski-Doo snowmobiles. This makes it possible to be able to change the helix while it's on the snowmobile, which is otherwise very difficult. So what we've got is we've got a tool here. We've got an expander so that we can expand a stainless steel piece against aluminum so we don't end up binding up and causing like metals to like each other too much. Quick Acme thread, billet aluminum sleeve that goes against the helix, billet aluminum caps, and then steel nuts. So everything that you get in this kit is going to make for a very smooth collapse of the clutch like has never been done with these sleds before. Okay, we're going to show you how to collapse the secondary on a Ski-Doo snowmobile so that you can change out the helix. You must first, and you can just use this, the Ski-Doo tool is supplied. You've got to take off this ring, which adjusts your belt deflection. So you loosen that up, and then this is a left-hand thread, so in order to take it off, you've got to turn it backwards, so to speak. We'll take the little sleeve off as well. Then we're going to take and install this tool into it like we showed you just a minute ago. This thing has some really nifty features. So we're going to we'll get this nut down close to begin with. We slide this right into there. You're going to stop right when the expansion cone, inverse cone, is in there. You just need 2 crescent wrenches, or you can use 2 end wrenches, the correct size. We put a flat spot on the end of there so that you can hold the Acme thread still, because we're going to need to tighten this nut here. You're going to want to get it pretty snug. Now you can see that's not coming out. Absolutely beautiful. This goes in here. It's going to go against the helix. We're going to slide this cap onto here. And just spin the nut onto here. Now when we get there, you just kind of want to make sure that you're centered up nice onto the helix. And then you can just start turning this, and you can see starting to collapse that. Our belt's starting to get loose. So you can put it in there, and then you can easily take off your belt. Get that thing collapsed down nice. And then there's 3 bolts back in behind here. You take those 3 bolts out, and it'll loosen that up. The spring inside here is quite long. That's why we have all this extra thread, because it's going to have to come out a long ways before that spring releases. So we got lots of thread there, so that when you release it, just like this, it'll just come right back out. The spring will come out, and you'll be ready to take your other helix and stick it in there.